Hi everyone, I'm Ansaf Azhar. I'm the Director of Public Health for Oxfordshire, and today I want to talk a little bit about our current situation beyond 19th of July. So, for many of us, 19th of July signals the lifting of restrictions, easing of lockdown, and a bit of light at the end of the tunnel. And I agree with this. We've had a rough 18 months, but we are starting to see some positives. The vaccination program across the country has been massively successful. It has helped to weaken the link between rising cases and those who are actually getting admitted to hospital with severe illness with COVID. So that is good news. So in Oxfordshire, we have delivered over 868,000 vaccinations, 360,000 second doses. So a big thank you for everyone who was involved in this massively successful effort, and for those who came forward to have their vaccination. If you haven't had your vaccination, please do come forward, have your jab. It'll help to protect yourself and your community and your loved ones around you. It's simple, safe, and you can get it done very, very quickly. However, despite all this, we are still seeing case rates rising across the county. Rises that we've seen in the city recently and the rises that we're seeing currently in the rest of the county are real examples of the fact that the pandemic is still alive. So we're asking everyone, as we move away from regulation to more towards personal responsibility, to maintain some of the good habits that we have developed over the last 18 months, simple, pragmatic, common sense approach to help contain this pandemic and reduce the spread. So I ask everyone to continue to keep your distance, social distance where possible. Try and meet people outdoor. Think about who you're meeting. Are you meeting vulnerable people? And if you can't do any of those things, if you can't maintain social distance, please do wear a face covering. I strongly recommend you to wear face covering in crowded and enclosed settings like the public transport, in buses and trains, so that you can protect yourself and provide the assurance to others these sectors are safe. In addition to all this, I would also encourage you to come and get tested frequently. It is a good way of checking if you've got COVID, and if you do, you can self-isolate and break the chain of transmission to others, and which will ultimately help to reduce COVID in the community. There are many testing provisions available, from online to libraries, pharmacies, and so on. So come and get tested, and it'll help to reduce the spread of the pandemic. I know many of you all been doing this for a long time, and I understand that. This is not about taking the fun away. This is not about stopping you from doing the things you want to do. This is about continuing things in a safe and a pragmatic, sensible way. So all of you have been already doing this, and I want to say a big thank you. We need to continue with this a little longer so we can all return back to some sense of normality. Thank you very much.